Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a sidebar with icons using HTML5 and CSS3. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the software itself, which is TextEdit. So you can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application, TextEdit, click on this, and then Command S to save. Go to your desktop, start a new folder called Sidebar with Icons. Create, and then change the text file name to index.html. Save. Yes, use.html. Increase the size of the TextEdit file. Increase the font size, Command plus a couple of times, and now we are ready to start the programming in HTML5 CSS3 to create the sidebar with icons. Less than, exclamation mark, doc type in capitals, HTML, close that off, go to a new line and less than HTML, greater than, go to a new line again, less than slash HTML, and then within this we need the head, the body, within the head we can have title if required to, but not for this tutorial. And now we can go inside the body and program all the HTML code required, and then to bring the navigation bar on screen, less than div class equals sidebar, greater than, go to a new line, indent, less than ahref equals speech marks hashtag home, greater than, less than, I class, I needs to be lowercase as always, equals speech marks fa dash fw space fa home, greater than, less than slash I, greater than, and then home, less than slash a, greater than, and then we can take the same line of code where the home icon will be, highlight, copy, go to a new line and paste this 3 times again, and then change home to services, clients, contacts. And then likewise for the ones on the right hand side. And then change home in the middle to match the icon that will be visible once we bring in the CSS. So home, wrench, user, envelope, Command S to save, go to a new line and then end with less than slash div, that is the navigation bar done, and then bring in another div class equals speech marks main, greater than, go to a new line, have a heading, less than h1, greater than, sidebar with icons. less than slash h1 greater than. We can have paragraphs if required to, however, the navigation bar itself has been programmed, is done. We can execute if required to, but we are missing a large chunk of the code, which in fact is the CSS. So we can now go all the way to the top and then add the style tag within the head. Less than style, less than slash style. That is done. Within style, we need all the CSS coding. Body, curly brace font family. Colon, speech marks, lato, sans serif, semicolon, curly brace, go to a new line, dot sidebar, curly brace, new line, indent, height, width, position, z-index, top left, background color, overflow -x, and padding top. And now we can go to the top. After height, we need a colon. And then copy the colon. And then paste at the end of each word. Go back to the top after height, 100%. Semicolon. The width can be 160 pixels. More if you require to. Semicolon, position fixed for a reason, semicolon, z-index 1, semicolon, top 0, semicolon, left 0, semicolon, background color, hashtag 111, semicolon, overflow x hidden for a reason, padding top 16%, semicolon, command S to save, go to a new line, curly brace, and then go to a new line again. Dot sidebar. A curly brace, new line, indent, padding, text decoration, font size, color, display. And then go back to the top. Colon, highlight, command C to copy and then paste at the end of each word. Go back to the top again, padding 6 pixels, 8 pixels, 6 pixels, and 16 pixels. Semicolon, text decoration, none, semicolon, font size 20 pixels, semicolon, color, hashtag 813 times, semicolon, display, block, semicolon, new line, curly brace, command S to save, go to a new line again, dot sidebar, a colon hover, curly brace, new line, color, semicolon, hashtag F13 times, semicolon, new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, dot main, curly brace, new line, margin left and padding. Go to the top, colon, highlight, copy, next line. at the end of padding as well. Go to margin left again, 160 pixels, semicolon. This will be the same as the width of the side navigation. The padding, 0 pixels, 10 pixels, semicolon, new line, curly brace. Go to a new line again. At media, screen, and parentheses, max height, colon, 450 pixels, curly brace, new line, indent, dot sidebar, curly brace, space, padding, top, colon, 15 pixels, semicolon, curly brace, new line, indent, sidebar A, dot sidebar A, curly brace, space, font size, colon, 18 pixels, semicolon, curly brace again. And now the programming is all done. There is one more line of code required. However, we will add that at the end of the video. So we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to your desktop, go to the folder Sidebar with icons, right click, index.html, open with Safari, minimize Finder, decrease the size of the web browser, decrease the size of the text edit file, and then we can see both windows at the same time on a simultaneous level and then work on a concurrent level. If we go back to the web browser, we can see that we have the navigation bar on the left hand side. What's missing is only the icons that we require, so we can go all the way to the text edit file, and then after head, a new line, link rel equals style sheet, href equals speech marks https colon / twice cdnjs dot cloudflare .com / ajax / libs / font dash awesome / 4.7.0 / css / font dash awesome dot min .css. Command S to save. Go back to the web browser. Right click and reload the page. And now we have the icons of the left hand side of the page. Home, wrench, user, and envelope. So we can now close out of Safari, quit text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.